Brothers and sisters of the coin, welcome back to Seismic Sales. I have 3 packages from RJ Bullion eBay live auction. If you're following in my last video, I explained we were short 3 items due to an eBay glitch. Hopefully, they're in one of these boxes. I have the invoice ready. I grabbed the box. This is the heaviest box. This order has 10 coins in it.
I think there's a tube in here. Okay, for my last video, I was missing a tube and 2 1/4-ounce eagles. Hopefully they're in this package. Remember, this had 10 orders. Okay, excited.
Okay, first box to come up is RJ Bullion card with a black box. I don't know what it is. CIT. I really don't remember what I bought. But, oh! This is that horseshoe. Remember that episode in Little Shop of Horrors where the guy comes?
Excuse me, I couldn't help noticing that strange and interesting plant. What is it?
That's exactly how I felt. I've never seen anything like that. I just had to place a bid, but of course I won. We'll come back to that. Next, I'm going to check it off the invoice, mark it as received, zip through the next item, and it's a shirt. Nice, black RJ Bullion Precious Metal Dealers.
eBay Live. 10 items should be in here. Or 9 items should be in here. What is this? I don't even know what I bought. Hold on. Nice. Okay, so this is the eagle from the last order. All right, they came through. And they gave me a little pouch. I got another one. Woo! Got another pouch. And we got some gold. So, that's empty. Okay.
Let's take a look what's in these bags. Got a Coca-Cola round. Atmex, I believe, makes them. Let me check them off my list.
1/10 rounds, 3 1/10 rounds, 4 1/10 ounce rounds. Eagles, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me mark it off the list. Pamp Swiss made. Last but not least, this is a 1/4-ounce round. This is part of the order. This was not the boo-boo. 2022. Zoom in. 1/4-ounce fine gold. 2022.
Okay, this order is filled. They gave me my 20 silver eagles, and now they just owe me my 2 1/4-ounce gold eagles. So I am satisfied with RJ Bullion on the eBay Live platform. Their prices are pretty good. I mean, I did overpay a few bucks once in a while. I got a little too excited listening to the hype music and watching all the chatter going up and down. And it's just a fun thing to do, but you got to be careful.
All right, this is Seismic Sales. Thanks for watching. Take care. Subscribe for more content. You taking a lazy day today? Get some rest.